YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy YC. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we about to hit this gun show in my city, man. The last few gun shows been on some bullshit, but you know, seem pretty packed out here. We gonna see what it do. Let's go up in here and check these guns out, man. I'll be right back at y'all. You gotta pay to get up in this motherfucker, so let me get this bread up. Right here, man. Let's see what these boys got up in here. These gun shows be different, but we're gonna see. Let me show you what they got. They got them sticks. That's pretty decent right there. I like that setup. It's alright. Price on up. That's straight. I got these K's over here. I'm sorry. Check these K's up. $1,500 for that. 13. Oh, and that bitch got the stock on it. Some decent prices too. Bless you.
Thank you.
Timbers in there. This shit is fly. Got some decent shit up in here. Like I said, oh, we got that Glock 19X. That bitch white, man. Let me show y'all. This bitch been used. Glock 19X. Used gun. That shit decent though, but you know what I mean? Let's go. What's going on? Man, you already know.
And they giving this shit away for the show.
Yeah.
Certain things you won't be scared to push you away from it.
Oh yeah. Look who I just bumped into.
What up, though? Yeah. What's good with it?
What's poppin'?
Man, bro, selling like crazy. This all I got left.
What?
It's all I got left, bro. They jumping today. God is great. This is all I got left.
You don't got the you don't got no Glock 19 lower, do you?
Nope. All I got is, if you look at the one on that roster gun, pistol, I got those ones.
Nah.
But you want an actual Glock hold.
Yeah.
Well, we can order them. They only like $250, bro.
Word. Yeah, I know. That's what I saw.
Yeah, we can order it.
What time you got? Damn, you sold out in an hour.
Nigga, I've been jumping, bro.
You ain't
I'm
bullshit.
talking about
All right, let me walk around.
What? Hey, you two going crazy, bro. I love this.
Yeah, that shit going. That's like crazy.
Man, bro. I'm
Crazy.
proud to see it, bro.
Appreciate it. Let me walk around though. I'm gonna get up with you. Let's see what they got up in the high. That's pretty dope. Need me a shotgun too. Got them prices. 9 mil.
I'll be gone Tuesday evening.
I know. Nice burger. Couple details on that thing. That's hard. That's dope. Check this one out. About to grind up. Thank you, man. Good, how are you? That's nice. It's that girl, Mr. Bonfire. Oh, them BB guns. Thought they was real good. That's cool though. Yeah, I thought it was real too. He tweaking. Brody on the WAP, he got some shit looking real. Them BB guns. I can't do no BB gun, my baby. You understand me? Excuse me. Yeah. Little nigga growling at me. I'll kick this shit out. I'll have Liddy come fuck you up. Y'all wanna see the little dog growling? He's back there chilling. I ain't gonna fuck with him. Alright man, they got some pretty decent shit here. This gun show was a little better, I ain't gonna lie. Last week gun show was bullshit. Hey, God, look at this motherfucker.
Lunchbox right there. Yeah. I've been carrying that one to work for over 30 years. One of the young kids, all one online guy. Whatever you tell you, that's 27.
Man, hope y'all like what y'all saw, man. We're gonna call this a wrap. I appreciate you for rocking with your boy, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We out of here.